Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change language in Shadowgun Legends. To change the language setting in Shadowgun Legends application, first of all make sure that you open up the app and then you are inside the game. Now click on the gear icon which will be located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open up the options menu where you need to select language from the top. Go ahead and select your preferred language from the list of available languages. Choose the language you want to switch to, and right after that, you have successfully changed the language in Shadowgun Legends. Now you can enjoy the game fully in the language you're most comfortable with. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.